not what you say, but how you say it. It is the attitude with which you say it that's going to change the man, not the words you say. Some say words, like I always say, how do you say it? That's why it says without a word. It's not the word that's going to change the man. It is your attitude. It's your reverence. It's your obedience. It's your submission that's going to change him. That's going to make him change his mind. All of you that want to, you want to change him, and then you are fighting, and you are quarreling, and you are giving ultimatums, and you are fighting. It's not going to work. Can I tell you again? It will not work. That thing you are looking for, you push it further away with your aggression and your foolishness.